Are you looking to tidy up your scheduled tweets on Twitter using your PC? Let's go through the steps to delete scheduled tweets on Twitter effortlessly. To get started, open x.com on your PC. Once you're on the site, navigate to the sidebar and click on Tweet. This will lead you to the tweet options on your computer. After clicking on Tweet, locate and click or tap on Unsent Tweets at the top of the page. This will direct you to the section where your unsent tweets are displayed. Now head over to the Scheduled section, where all your scheduled tweets are listed. Here, you can select the specific tweets you want to delete by choosing them individually. Once you've selected the tweets you wish to remove, click or tap on Delete, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear. In the pop-up, click or tap on Delete once again to confirm the deletion of the selected scheduled tweets. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your scheduled tweets on Twitter using your PC. Keep your Twitter feed organized and clutter-free by deleting unwanted scheduled tweets today.